everyone, and welcome back to the course with everything you need to become profitable with stocks and other assets as well. But this is the fundamentals for you, and I really hope you enjoy these videos. And if you do, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, but also subscribe so you get these videos on a weekly basis. And in this video, we will actually go into the different tools you need to be successful. And there are a couple of those. I'm going to show you exactly the ones you need, and they're completely free. You heard it. They're free, which is amazing. So let's go over to the flip chart. Well, I'm just going to show you what you would need, all right? So there's two types of softwares you need. You need the broker. All right, and yes, there are more as well, but these are the necessary ones in the beginning. And you need the other one, which is the all right, so charting software. So those are the two that you need. So how does this relate? So with the charting software, or the broker, you're going to be opening a demo account. How amazing is that? You are going to be able to trade and invest with fake money. It's like playing Monopoly. So that is amazing, but also a live account. And we're going to show you exactly how this is done as well. So you have those two. All right, that's number one. And number two is the charting software. So in order for you to know where to buy, you remember the strategy we went through, the PCA? So how do you know when to buy if the price is lower? Well, then we need to use a charting tool. All right, so I'm going to show you which ones these are. So the charting tool is called TradingView. So you draw your lines here. So what you do, you have your graph here. So you can make a note of that, write that down, that with your charting software, this shows you how the price is moving. This is the chart. While the broker is when you buy and sell. So the broker is you buy and sell, but you do all your analysis in the charting software. You can put alerts on there to remind you. A lot of fun things you can do there actually. So in the coming videos, we'll show you exactly how you set both of those up. But for now, we're just preparing you for it. So this one is called, so you can write that down. This one is called trading, right? Trading, and then view.com. That's this one, all right? Tradingview.com. So you can start playing around with that if you want to. The broker, on the other hand, is called RoboMarkets. So RoboMarkets.com, okay? That's the other site where you have the broker. So those are the two sites we're going to use. And in the coming videos, I'll show you exactly how you set those up as well. But just to go over, just to show you briefly here, if we take a look here on the screen. So if we look here, you will see now, if we go to this one, you've probably seen this one before. I've showed you what TradingView is. It's just a chart. It shows you how the price moves, and you have the price, you have the dates here. I'll take you through exactly how to set it up, but it's completely free. This is the charting software. So it's tradingview.com, okay? So I hope that is clear for you. The other one, on the other hand, it's called RoboMarkets.com, all right? So RoboMarkets.com is also a great site where you can trade on a demo account, completely free to use as well, and it is also good for going live. But we're going to show you how to set all that up, okay? So those are actually the only two different tools that you need in order to get started in the best way, okay? And those are free, which is the best part. In the coming videos, I show you exactly how you set those up. And if you think that this is valuable, if you like this information, if you like these videos, make sure you comment. What do you think? Do you have any other tools that you are using? Make also sure you like and that you subscribe to the channel so you can get the weekly notifications whenever we post a new video, okay? And I really hope you enjoyed this. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.